All right, good afternoon. The sound is in there. All right, Bombay, we have a test. We have a test, so please prepare piece of paper. Who we have a test, all right? In a little while, we will start. In a little while, we will start. Okay, have a piece of paper. All right. Get a piece of paper. We have a test. All right. All right. All of you have paper already? All right. Phone paper? Or you use phone, Miss Anna? You use? Internet is so slow. Yeah. All right, online, Pu, Opal, Cao Klong, Keng, Tong, Shukun, Bombay. Okay, so get ready now. We will start with that test. Okay, so on your paper, write your English nickname, number, and grade 9/2. Okay, the test is composed of two parts, part 1 and part 2. Part 1 is multiple choice. Write the letter of your answer. Write the letter only. That is part 1. And part 2 is solving. All right, part 2 is solving. ข้อสอบมี2พาร์ท2ส่วนส่วนแรกเป็นช้อยเลือกตอบเดาได้ส่วน2จะเป็นข้อเขียนแก้โจทย์ปัญหาที่บอกที่รู้ว่า5ข้อ Okay, so on site is now ready. Online, all set. Online. Okay, Nadia, get a piece of paper. We have a test.
Okay.
Okay, ready now? Grade online.
Yes.
Okay, ready now. We will start.
Wow. ปิดผ้าด้วย
Okay. So who is absent? Taro, who is absent? Tiger. Tiger and Prem. Nadia is here. Tong. All right. Pu, Keng, Shukun, Bombay. Get is connecting. Okay, that's good. Get is now present. All right. Get a piece of paper. Get a piece of paper. We have a test. Okay, so we will now start. Number 1, take note, part 1 is 1 to 15 only. And part 2 is 1 to 5. So 20 all in all. All right, so let us now start. Almost all are present. Part 1, number 1. Again, Part 1, write the letter of your answer. Letter only. Number 1. Number 1. What term refers to a measure on how likely something is going to happen? A, frequency. B, statistics. C, probability, or D, outcome. Take note, the topics that we have is probability and the sine, cosine, tangent, trigonometric ratio. All right, that is number 1. Term refers to a measure on how likely something is going to happen. A, B, C, or D. Write the letter only. Number 2. The higher the probability would mean blank likely something is going to happen. So if higher probability, A, less likely something is going to happen. B, more likely something is going to happen. C, impossible likely something is going to happen. Or D, uncertain likely something is going to happen. Higher probability means A, B, C, or D. Write the letter. Next, number 3. The event is marked 50% on probability scale. That means, what does it mean? Oh. Again, number 3, 50% on probability scale. What is the meaning? A, will happen. B, will not happen. C, even chance to happen. Or D, unlikely to happen. 50%. 50, 50. So, is that A, B, C, or D? And number 4, a bag contains 3 black counters, 4 red counters, and 5 blue counters. If taken at random, what is the probability that it is a black counter? What is the probability that it is a black counter? Is that A, B, C, or D? Okay, write the letter. You need to solve. Take note, the total there probability is 3 plus 4, 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay. You have 1 minute to answer number 4. Probability that it is a black counter. A, 1/4, B, 1/2, C, 3/4, or D, 1/12. All right, number 5. Number 5. Okay, this is number 5 and 6. A letter is chosen randomly from the word parallelograms. Take note, parallelograms. When taken randomly, what is the probability of getting letter A? What is the probability of getting letter A? From the word parallelogram. So how many letter A is there? Okay, number 6. What is the probability of getting letter R? Letter R. Okay, is that A, 3/7, B, 5/14, C, 1/7, or D, 3/14? Letter R. So how many letter R? A, B, C, or D? Number 7. Oh, how many letter R? Only 2. All right, 7 to 8. A dice is rolled. This is independent event. A dice is rolled. After that one, followed by coin tossing. Take note, a dice is rolled, followed by coin tossing. Dice have how many in a dice? 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3 until 6. Now, question number 7. What is the probability of even numbers and head? Take note, the formula is probability independent event 1 times independent event 2. What is the probability that it is even numbers and a head? Even is 2, 4, and 6. So there are 3 even numbers in a dice. So therefore 3/6 times a head, which is 1/2. All right, so what is your answer? Reduce your answer to lowest term. Take note, probability is times. Event 1 times event 2.
Sure. After we finish, may you can check my book. Oh, thank you.
You did not pass your book, I'm sure.
Sure. I passed. I sent a photo in the live group.
What photo?
The book.
I told you to pass the book.
Last week I passed.
Number 8.
But maybe I forget to write my name. And 2 weeks before I take a photo.
Find the probability P of odd numbers and takes. Take note, odd numbers 1, 3, and 5. That is in a dice. So 3 numbers odd. Take note, probability is event 1 times event 2. Dice times coin toss. Reduce your answer to lowest term.
How many in multiple choice?
1 to 15.
1 to 15.
15 only 1 5 1 5. Okay, number 9. Number 9. Part 1 is 1 to 15. Number 9 and 10, look at the figure. Okay, you have there the unknown angle x. You have the opposite side 9. The hypotenuse is unknown and adjacent side is unknown. Okay, question number 9. What is the hypotenuse of the above triangle? Take note, hypotenuse is the longest side of a triangle. So what is the hypotenuse? A, side AB, B, side AC, C, side BC, or D, side XC. Right? The letter only. Number 9. Okay, number 10. Applying tangent of x. Applying tangent of x. Which side is the opposite side? A, B, C, or D? Okay, one moment. Why Pong is here?
No.
Huh? Yeah. 5/3? Yeah, yeah. Pong, you go to your class, not here. Pong, 5/3.
You keep them off. Yeah, you keep key out.
All right, so that is number 9 and number 10. Finish already, number 9?
Yeah. Yeah.
Applying tangent of x, which side is the opposite side? Okay, is that side AC, side AB, side BC, or side XC? Tangent, take note, SOHCA, TOA. So is sine, opposite over hypotenuse. Ka, cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. And TOA, tangent, opposite over adjacent. Remember that one. Number 11. All right, look at the figure. Number 11. Look at the figure. Question. If tangent of x is 1.5, what is the length of AB? Again, if tangent of x is 1.5, what is the length of AB? Take note, tangent is opposite over adjacent. So therefore, 1.5 equals 9 over AB. So solve. 1.5 equals 9 over AB. So solve for AB. Next, number 12. Using tangent of x, which side is the adjacent side? Okay, you are asked for the adjacent side. Tangent to opposite over adjacent. So, where is the opposite side and where is the adjacent side? A, side EB, B, side AC, C, side BC, or D, side XC? Next, number 13. Number 13, 14, and 15. 3 questions. Okay, look at the figure and the unknown angle theta. So opposite side is 8, adjacent side is 15, and hypotenuse AB is unknown. So you don't know. Now, question number 13. What is the length of hypotenuse AB? What is the length of hypotenuse AB? A, 21 cm, B, 19 cm, C, 17 cm, or D, 15 cm. Right? The letter only. You don't know AB, so you can use Pythagoras theorem. You can use Pythagoras theorem. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. You should know side AB because C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Pythagoras theorem. Okay, use Pythagoras theorem. Number 14. What is sine theta equals to? We said sine is so, opposite over hypotenuse. So therefore, you should know the answer of number 13 to get the answer of number 14. Opposite over hypotenuse, sine theta. Is that A, 15 over 8, B, 8 over 15, C, 15 over 17, or D, 8 over 17. Sine theta. All right, last number 15. Last for part 1. Okay, what is the opposite side of the figure with regards to sine theta? What is the opposite side with regards to sine theta? Side AC, side CB, side BA, or side AB plus BC? Sine theta. So what is the opposite side? Okay, part 2. Okay.
Chưa want to write on the answer.
You need to solve.
I solve in another paper and I can write on the answer because I writing it to.
Okay. Number 1, part 1. Look at the triangle, right? Triangle, and you have the unknown angle theta. Hypotenuse is 10. Adjacent is 6 with regards to theta and unknown angle BC. Now, our unknown side BC. Question number 1. What is the length of side BC of the above triangle? What is the length? Use Pythagoras theorem. C square equals A square plus B square. So that is side B. So therefore, B equals square root of C square minus A square. Again, square root of B square minus C square minus A square. Huh?
Why so hard, teacher? Really hard. Sure, very easy. Easy to guess, but easy to think.
Okay. Letter A, Pythagoras theorem. Square root of C square minus A square. Number 2, find the values of the above triangle sine theta. Sine theta. Sine is opposite. So over hypotenuse. So ka. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and TOA, tangent, is opposite over adjacent. And number 3, what do you call the longest side of a right triangle? Again, letter C. Huh? Online, you take a photo of that one after you test and send it to the group, grade 9/2. So hard is very easy. You did not. Same with Pasatay. That is the same. Pasatay.
พ่อแม่ตอบซึ่งครูก็ไอ้ตัวครูเลยตอบได้ว่าวายคนนำสองที่คนนำสองตอบได้แม่ครู
Again, online, you send that one to math album in grade 9/2 line group. Okay, I uploaded the photo there for final exams in the album. Huh? No, you get the number. The number is the answer.
Oh, the number. Answer only number.
The number. So find the length of side BC. Number 1, find the length of side BC. And number 2 is find the value of sine. Is that 6/10, 10/6, or whatever? Reduce your answer to. That is a ratio. That is a ratio or a fraction. Again, the answer for number 2, ABC, is a fraction in lowest term. Fraction in lowest term. Reduce to lowest term. Lowest term. Lowest term.
Oh, you can think why not?
Huh? It's like that, but lowest term.
Low.
Yeah. Simplest form.
เพราะว่าหาค่าที่น้อยที่สุดด้วย
Lowest term. Oh, you reduced your answer to lowest term. What do we mean by lowest term? Okay, so for example, your answer is 6/10.
Yes.
What is it equal? 5. 2 is 3. 5, 2 is 5. So this is your answer.
Okay, thank you.
Lowest term. Simplest form of a fraction.
You can use social media teacher.
All right, so you have 1 minute online. After the test, you take a photo and send it to the group. Okay, for the math album. All right. On site, finish. Pass now if you are finished. Oh.
What do you call the longest?
What do you call the longest side of a right triangle? Is that adjacent, opposite, or hypotenuse? Yes. Number 3, you can choose adjacent, opposite, or hypotenuse, the longest side. Oh. Okay, thank you so much online. Thank you for your participation, and please send